Solving graphically is always a great option. Remember that a solution graphically is where the two functions or two sides of an equation physically touch. So I'd be looking, there'd be two solutions here, right? One here and one here. So for part B, I'm going to show a demonstration of this, right? So you need to type both of the functions in. You can see f of x is in y1, g of x is in y2, and I'll press the graph button. So I should be asking myself, how many solutions does this system have? And I can see that they intersect twice, right here and right here. If it touched only once, that would only have one solution. 3 times would be 3 solutions. So the buttons I'm going to press are second, and then trace. Above it, it says calculate. It takes me to the calculate menu. I'm going down to 5 intersect because I want to know the intersection points. And I'll move my cursor to the left and hit enter until it tells me intersection. So the first one here is x equals negative 0.87. And I'll have to repeat that entire process to get the second intersection point. So I'm going to hit second, trace. I'm selecting 5 for intersect, and I have to move over with the right and left arrow keys to the other intersection. I'm hitting enter until it tells me the intersection point. So the other one here is 2.87. Keep in mind, this one asks for the x values of x, so I'm only giving this, not the y. Over here, it's asking for a point A, comma B, or I could think of that as x, comma y. So it is wanting both the x and the y value, so make sure you're reading carefully. So remember, this is second, trace, select 5 for intersection. Use the right and left arrow keys to find the point, and then hit enter 3 times. All right, try the rest of these on your own.